every breath of my lungs, I join with heaven above. I'm giving you the highest praise. Giving you the highest praise. This is the day you made. There's not a second to wait. Jesus, I will bless your name. Jesus, I will bless your name. I'm giving you the highest praise, even in the lowest place. My heart will say, blessed be the Lord always. Blessed be the Lord. Blessed be the Lord. Blessed be the Lord. Blessed be the Lord always. Blessed be the Lord.
Trisha and I both came from different provinces. She came from Batangas, I came from Pangasinan.
Nag-meet kami ni Ken sa water baptism day mismo namin. So, that's 2015, I guess, yes.
Yung una namin pagkikita is way back 2015 pa. Nung nag-baptize kami sa aming local church sa Jamsi, Manila.
So, yun yung time na we're so stranger. Hindi ko talaga siya kilala, hindi niya ako kilala. So, hindi talaga namin kilala yung isa't isa that time. That's the memorable moment kasi hindi ko alam na yung palang day kung saan we offer our lives to the Lord. That's the day din pala na makikilala namin kung sino yung makasama namin habang buhay.
Our waiting stage is not that easy. It's tough, hard, and somehow a roller coaster ride.
Kasi, yun na nga, first we're strangers and then we're just focused to our own selves and with the Lord. So, I find myself growing alone in the Lord sa ministry, same as well to Him.
I waited for Trisha for almost 7 years. I prayed for her. Nandun yung nagkaroon ng selosan, miscommunication, kasi nagbabarko po ako. Ayun. Andun na yung excitement.
Sabi nga ni Ken, pinag-pray niya daw ako for 7 years. 7 years ba? Yan. I also prayed for how many years to a specific man. At the same time, more than what I want is the will of God for me and our lives.
But in the end, alam mo, tulad nga sabi nila, love wins. Sinagot niya ako way back March 7, 2022. I know that Trisha's the one kasi she has the quality I've been praying for sa mga pangasawa ko habang buhay.
Paano ko ba nalaman na he's the one? Siya talaga yung guy or siya yung man na ibang-iba sa lahat. Siguro may ganun talaga, no?
She's a passionate and smart woman. Of course, she's beautiful. And lastly, she loves God and His people.
Grabe si Lord na kung bakit nandito kami ngayon. Si Lord lang talaga yung dahilan. So, si Lord lang yung makapagsabi kung bakit ba talaga si Ken. Even me, I don't know how. What I know is I just love Ken so much.
She's the best. That's why I choose to spend the rest of my life with her.
I saw my relationship with Ken serving God together in laughter, in tears, in trials, in suffering.
We will pursue a Christ-centered life together with our 3, 4, or 5 children in the future.
I saw my life with Ken leading people. I saw my life with Ken reaching out to people. I saw my life with Ken traveling with him. I saw my life with Ken hanggang sa huling hininga.
We will serve the Lord passionately and i-maintain namin yung sweetness namin sa isa't isa and Mamahalin namin isa't isa hanggang sa huling hininga.
Sabay nating inalay ang ating buhay at buong pusong ipinagkatiwala sa kanyang mga kamay. Sabay nating tinalikuran ang nakaraan at nagsimula para sa bagong kinabukasan. Sa unang araw na ikinasilayan, hindi ko alam na may patutunguhan. Sa umpisa, ika'y simpleng tao lamang na tila hindi ko kilala, ngunit laging nandyan. Ang iyong tindig ay nakakamangha. Kung paano ka magsalita, ako'y natutulala. Sa paglilingkod sa Panginoon, ika'y naiiba, sapagkat handa kang gawin lahat para sa ating Ama. Sa bawat pagsiklop ng kamay, isasama ka sa bawat dalangin iaalay, na sana sa panahon niya, wala nang ikaw at ako kundi tayo bilang isa.